Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the DJI Osmo Mobile 8. If you create videos on your phone, vlog, or shoot reels and shorts, this might be one of the most useful accessories you can have. Let's open the box and see what DJI gives us. This is the DJI Osmo Mobile 8 box. On the front you can see the gimbal itself. Let me open it and see how it feels. Right on the top, we have the DJI Osmo Mobile 8 gimbal itself, nicely packed. It feels solid but lightweight, yeah. The build quality is premium, no doubt. Exactly what you would expect from DJI. The grip is comfortable as well, no doubt. And it's very compact. This is the manual. This is the Type-C cable to charge. And yeah, this is used to connect the module with the phone. And you can use the mic that I will just show you. So yeah, this box is for the mini mic. So I ordered this whole bundle, so this was the part of it. Let me just open the box and see what's inside. It got some really cool features like built-in stabilization for super smooth footage, DJI active track, easy control for recording, zooming and switching. And it's designed for smartphones, which is perfect for creators who shoot everything on their phone like me. I believe if you have a YouTube channel or Instagram, or you like to create some vlogs or reels, it could be a good add-on. Yep, so this is the mic. Looks good, small and sleek. Yeah, this is a charging dock. This is a charging dock. And here's the mic, which is cool, right? So small. It comes with this magnet. Nice. Yes, so that's everything. One charging wire, mic, dock, and this one has a magnet on the back side here. This is your Osmo 4, sorry, Osmo 8 box. Then it also have a charging wire here. And this is the box for DJI Mic Mini. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Have a wonderful day ahead.